This holiday weekend, don't miss out on a great opportunity. Your family's together. You catch up. You torture each other a little. You share a meal. And memories. And affection. If you have aging relatives, now's the time to get really observant. Try to notice how they're really doing. Over the phone, they may sound great and tell you everything's fine, but seeing them in person may tell a very different story. Are they moving well? Do they seem a little sad, quiet, distant? Do they understand what you say to them? Do they remember what you tell them a couple of hours later? Are they repeating themselves more than usual? Have you ever asked them about end-of-life issues, wills, whether they'd want you to do everything possible to extend their lives as long as possible, or would they prefer something else? These are hard topics to broach, but they do need to be addressed sooner than later. Getting together with loved ones you don't see every day, it becomes clear. Time passes quickly. And we have to be more proactive if we're going to make any headway. And that takes some preparation and courage. If you try to have the talk and get pushback, know that that's normal. Most parents don't like to talk about this stuff with their kids. It frightens them, and you are, after all, just their baby, no matter how old or accomplished you are. But don't be discouraged. Start the conversation. And if you need help taking it further, call Grand Family Planning. We can help you figure out what's next. Happy holidays to you and your family. And before the next family gathering, why not contact us to see if our team can help you move forward? There's no cost or obligation. Grand Family Planning, your family support system.